Looking to make more friends but not sure where to start? Learn how to make friends fast with the tips in this short video. 1. Join sports teams, groups for your hobbies, or volunteer clubs. Meet like-minded people through community events, workshops, or classes. Socializing increases your chances of meeting like-minded people and making lasting friendships. 2. Be open and approachable. Making friends requires openness. Smile and make eye contact. Listen to others with real curiosity. In a school, business, or social setting, talk to others. You can attract friends and make connections by being hospitable. 3. Use online platforms and communities to meet new people and make friends. Join hobby-related social media groups and forums, and discuss your interests with others. Try friendship apps and websites that are specifically designed to help users meet new people. Virtual platforms can also help you meet people from diverse places and backgrounds.